Welcome to Just Maria D, and it's not me, Maria. There's Maria.
Indeed, Maria, indeed.
We're here for vlog every day in April, and it is the
Day 5. 5th of April?
Well done.
No idea. I drove to a dentist appointment yesterday, a week early, so I've no idea what the date is or the day. School holidays will do that to somebody. So where have we been?
So today we went to the Gauntlet Bird of Prey Centre in Knutsford because I'm looking to do a placement there for university. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Emmy, or otherwise known as 1 Minute E. Essentially the person who featured in Mum's most popular vlog. Why has she done this? You know, 600 views, Maria D.
I know.
All because of me. Anyway.
Thank you. Thank you for shaving your hair. Thank you for being so awesome.
Yeah. I'm doing animal behaviour and welfare. I'm in my second year, and in my third year, or between third and second year, we get to do a placement year, which is essentially a year in industry. But because animals don't pay, we all know this, don't we?
Yeah, you're not going in it for the money, are you?
No. They do it where you get to do 6 months of placement, and then you can work for the rest of it so that you can actually live whilst you do it. So I'll be doing 2 3-month placements. The first one is at the Monkey Sanctuary in somewhere, and then not giving away too much info, stalkers. And the second one is hopefully, by the sounds of it, at the Gauntlet Bird of Prey Centre,
which will be cool because you'll be home. Cool for me. I know that you like your independence, but I mean you'll be home for a little bit of time next to you.
Yeah, so essentially so I can just make her vlogs really great.
Well, I was thinking more because I actually enjoy your company, but whatever works.
Oh, that too. No, it should be good. It also means that I'll get to hopefully work on the weekends or do other stuff, which will be good. And I learned that my friend is gonna be staying in Manchester next year, so I won't be deadly bored.
Oh really? Okay. She going to uni in Manchester, or she decided to take a year off?
She's doing a year out.
Wow.
Year out.
There you go.
So, not gonna be dying of boredom. Because when all your friends go to uni, you're left by yourself.
And your mother's an introvert.
Yeah. My mother's an introvert, and my family's crazy.
Yeah.
They're all too loud for me.
They're all too loud for me. I don't know whatever made us build an open plan space in our house. It is an introvert's nightmare.
I think that was you.
I know. I do love it though.
Anyway, back to the birds of prey. We went and had a look around. I spoke to one of the staff there. It wasn't a formal interview, it was just wanting to make sure I was the right type of person, yeah. And it all sounded very good, which is good. We got to have a look around at some of the birds, which Mum was most impressed with.
Like, I have this real love-hate relationship with birds in that I'm absolutely fascinated by them and I admire them and I think they're great, but they scare the bejeebers out of me.
They have pelicans.
Oh, was that in the flooded section?
I don't know. I think they've got some at Knowsley.
Yeah, so I have this kind of love-hate relationship. Like, I want to be friends with birds because I like animals, but they scare me. I blame my sister's budgies. That's the end of that story.
And now we're in Tesco.
Have we got chocolate?
What do you think? I just broke this thing, it all fell off. What a disgrace. Yay or nay? Look like a candlestick? Yeah. It's not going well, people. Keep losing it. Oh, there's some more over here. Sunglasses. In honor of today. Oh, they're cute. Should I get some owl ones?
Look at those.
I'm sure there's a mirror.
I don't think there is.
I like these ones. The leaves. Got some wood bites on my face if you're wondering. Maybe I should convince Mum to buy me loads. I'm sure she would. She loves me. Gonna get her all the revenue on YouTube. Make her a star. So she's famous. You like? Oh, stop it.